Greetings, friends and fellow cigar box guitar enthusiasts. This video is brought to you by the color green. All right, this here is a little jalapeno that I grew in my garden. And if you know anything about these things, they are hot. Really hot. Oh my gosh. All right. Wow. All right, so this guitar here is in the process of being, oh my gosh, my tongue's on fire. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was dumb. Look at this beautiful green. And this is like a dark green. So I got this deep forest green, and I sprayed the entire neck with it, and then I dark stained it, let it set, and then sanded it smooth again. So it's dark green. I do have mother of pearl inlays and also golden screws for the top, obviously the scarf and the open back tunes. And what else I wanted to point out? Okay, so a couple of things here. So this one here is notched out for a yikes, so good. Oh my gosh. The further down you go toward the stem, the hotter these things get. Oh my gosh. Ouch. But I do have it notched here for the humbucker. And then these little lips right here, that's to hold the top of the cigar box down. And then there's another notch right here from here to here. And this is to prevent this wood here from interfering with the vibrations of the top of the cigar box. So this is like a little notch. And then it bumps up right here. And underneath here is the disc Piezo. And I use some of my expired sandpaper here. So this is got some like grip tape to it. But this is embedded in hot glue. Piezo is. And then it tapers off here. And again, this does have the back angle so that I can get some relief. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I think I'll put the fire out with some coffee. So I wanted you to see all this stuff here before I buttoned it all up. And so that's what I'm going to do now, is I'm going to solder this thing up and put some strings on it, throw a little tune. But before I button this thing up here, I'm going to install some springs for the reverb. And so I'm going to do that right now. So listen to this. So that'll add some nice spring reverb. Okay, I wanted to show you the insides and these blocks here. And those blocks are just simply so that I can screw the humbucker into the wood there. I did spray paint everything green on the inside so that when this is closed and you look into the sound hole, that you'll see nothing but green. Speaking of green, I still have a few more bites. I think I'm getting immune to it. You can hear those springs. So anyhow, these are the 44, 34, and 26 gauge strings, and I am tuned E, B, E. So one thing you want to make sure of is that whatever note you tune this guy to here, it's the same note here at the 12th fret. So in this case here we have E and E. And if it's not, then you adjust this guy back and forth to get both notes to be the same. And that's true for all three strings. That's why it's got to be a little bit at a slight little angle. The skinny side is a little bit closer, and the thicker side is a little bit back. So I am going to put a strap button on here, and the strap button I'm going to use is this little guy here that I get in these shutter hinge kits. So I'm going to extract that guy out, put it on here, give me a strap, tune them strings, play a little jam. There's the strap button. I have a piece of leather that's just tied up, and then tied up on this side as well. And let's do a little bit of housekeeping, some maintenance here. So first off, unplugged. And you can really hear those reverb springs. So that's unplugged, and here is plugged. And this is the amp that is making the sounds. Now what I wanted to do here was just see how I'm starting off here with this button here on the acoustic sound. So I'm just going to spin this guy around and so you can hear all of them. Everything else will be the same. So that's the acoustic sound. First click. Next click. Next click. Next click. That's all the clicks I got. So I went from here to here. Everything else is the same. All right, I saved the best for last. I'm gonna bite this sucker down and then play you some hot licks. If you like these videos, be sure to comment, like, share, subscribe. And don't forget there is a virtual tip jar in the upper right-hand corner of my YouTube channel. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Woo! But wait, there's more.